as for the second part, so Mr. Borders, he owns a book business and he purchases the books at a certain price as well as selling them at a certain price. So the thing is that he is uncertain about whether which the demand will come. So he has recorded a mean of 20,000 and standard deviation of 5,000. And his strategy to minimize any losses is that he discounts any unsold books to $3. So how can the expected profit be computed? So so here we have our given here. It is just slightly different from the last example, but the core principle remains the same. So you have the sale price, you have the cost, the salvage value. As for the calculations for understocking and overstocking, it it depends. So for understocking, just subtract the sale price to the cost. And as for the overstocking, subtract the cost to the salvage value. As for the order size, it utilizes again similarly to the last problem, the NOR in function. So this just involves the calculations. So calculations of understocking and overstocking together. So this is the result. And as for the overstock, again, similarly to the last problem, um, the order order quantity, optimal order quantity is subtracted by the mean, and then and then it undergoes the normal distribution of the z value, and uh, this is added to the z value itself multiplied by the the height of the standard normal curve of the z value. So it uses similar functions as the last one, and then it results as a result. This is the amount of overstock that is expected, and as well in this one, no, understock, it's just switch places of some key variables here. So as you may notice, this one, it becomes the inverse of the function used earlier, and this one is just the variables switch places. So that results in 1,577 units. So to compute the expected profit, again, no, similar to the last one, and just uh, it's just involves more manipulation and more computations of the z values. So it's expected that this is the expected value around $200,000, and from there we can also derive what profits the publisher also can expect. And all in all, in total, the supply chain itself, it can expect around $428,000 of profits. So moving on to the second part, again, this now involves the the buyback price. So this changes the dynamics slightly. So it manipulates the salvage value and subsequently the outputs. So just using the same formula as earlier, we notice now that the order size, it has gone up from originally 20,900. So there's more to order now. As for the overstock, it also exhibited the higher behavior of overstock. As for the understock naman, it exhibited lower behavior. So it I guess it tends for the if Mr. Borders implements this buyback proposition, he can expect more overstock and less understock. So as for the profit side of things, so in general, the profits they improve. They became much more higher. So he can expect around $214,000 for himself, while the publisher can also expect more, around $236,000, with a total profit of $451,000.